Put a lot in there, bathed in coconut.
Woo. Wow, you can see it dripping, dude.
Oh my god. What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in Hyderabad, India. Today I'm so excited because I'm taking you to eat the biggest dosa in Hyderabad. 70 centimeters, basically 1 meter or 2.5 feet, right here at the Chutney Restaurant in the Jubilee Hills. Let's go inside and eat a dosa. Oh, I cannot wait, I'm so excited.
I know, let's do it.
The Chutney Restaurant is a modern gourmet restaurant and they make the biggest dosa. What is a dosa? A dosa is a pancake made from fermented batter like a crepe. There's only 2 ingredients, rice and black gram, which is a dry bean. It's served with sambar, which is a lentil-based stew in tamarind broth, and it comes with potatoes and chutneys. Super high in carbs, no sugars or saturated fats. It's also high in protein, vitamin B and vitamin C. Okay, so we're about to start eating this dosa. This is so incredible. I'm starving. I've been fasting for like almost 24 hours.
I know, man. We've been thinking about this.
Oh my god, we've been thinking about this all day. And the way you eat this is very easy. You cut it and then you dip it into chutneys. Here they gave us 6 different chutneys right here, okay?
Yeah.
And then what are they? So the first thing we have is the sambar broth. This one is the peanuts, coconut, chanada, which I don't know what chanada is, green chili and ginger, sweet corn tomato, and red chili and ginger. Okay, what I know I'm gonna love is for sure the peanuts and the coconut, and possibly the green chili because it's spiciest. All right, I'm going all in. If they don't give you a knife, just a spoon and a fork. What do you even cut this? How do you start?
I don't know, bro. But he did.
He's like, we're going with these. Okay, let's grab it. Peanuts.
Taste those peanuts?
Taste the peanuts. It's not pure peanuts.
Okay.
It could be like mixed with some lentils as well. Fire. I don't think I'm gonna use a fork and spoon. I think I'm just gonna rip it, get big pieces, then dump it. So maybe I try this one. Sweet corn, tomato. Oh. You feel the corn throughout. It's a nice sauce, not too spicy. Dude, I'm in love with these chutneys. What's next? Well, you know what I'm gonna do?
It's incredible, the variety, man.
It's incredible. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this super hot red chili, drop all into the spices, super spicy food.
It's that spicy, yeah? Mm-hmm. Wow.
I don't recommend that. And what I love is that just super paper thin pancake.
Yeah.
Literally like a paper. All right, now let's try the coconut. Oh, just gonna put a lot in there, bathed in coconut.
Woo. Wow, you can see it dripping, dude.
Oh my god. The ultimate coconut sauce.
Yeah?
It's pure coconut.
Is it? Is it a bit sweet?
So sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, but it's so good, especially with the heat outside.
Oh man.
That's why they love this here.
So refreshing. Coconut in the hot weather.
Oh.
Just the best, man. Just the best.
I can go all day here. Green chili with ginger. Man, I'm overdoing it. I shouldn't put that much.
I love my ginger, man. I don't know about you.
Oh wow.
Got some kick to it?
Has a kick, but the ginger's like really overbearing.
Wow.
Oh, that's amazing. I love ginger. Woo! It's hot. This is amazing. I gotta tell you, this and the Thali in Pune, my favorite things on the trip so far.
Back-to-back days of glory, man.
You know, I didn't get enough of that, but this is the red chili with ginger. Oh, nice. You know, this feels like a tomato paste.
Yeah.
It's very thick.
Yeah.
Ginger as well, like super.
Yeah.
All throughout. Dude. I've only broke this guy in half.
I know.
So I'm just gonna really enjoy this right now.
I know. You know what's incredible is like both places we ate at, like the portions were huge, but the quality matched it. You know, the quality is amazing.
It never feels like you're overeating.
No.
I mean, yeah, but. Oh, what do I want again? Oh, the sambar. I haven't tried that yet. The sambar. So it's like the broth here. Oh wow, full of spices. Like so many different flavors. I don't even know what to tell you about that. So I just try to drink it.
Give it a shot.
Oh yeah, it has like some peanuts, very nutty.
It's made with a bit of bean too. I
Yeah,
could be wrong.
very earthy.
Very earthy.
Very earthy. Okay, so let me. This is like, thank God this is my job. For real.
I know.
I'll tell you, my favorite chutney is the coconut. It's like, oh, so good. It's like an orgasm in your mouth. Straight up.
Straight up.
For real, look at this. Man, it was funny. When I told my wife I was gonna eat this, she's like, "You're not gonna eat the whole thing. You can eat this thing."
You got it, man. I might even be able to help you out a bit.
Hey, look at this.
It just looks surreal when you pick it up like that.
This is so
Like, look at that. Wow. Wow.
it's so crazy.
It's crazy.
I mean, it's made for like 5 people, but my stomach is made for 5 people. Bro, I'm at loss for words. It's so delicious. It's like, before every bite, my mouth is like watering.
Wow.
If you like spicy, these two. They're not crazy spice though.
Yeah, yeah. So how would you rank them so far? The coconut's the best?
Coconut's number 1.
Yeah.
You know what? Let me try this one again because I need to. That's not my favorite.
Yeah.
For sure, coconut's number 1. I like these 2 spicy ones, so those like number 2, number 3.
Yeah.
This is really good as well. Sweet corn with tomato.
Yeah.
Let me try the peanut again. I mean, you're never supposed to put like huge gulps like this, like big chunks. Nah, it's gonna go like a lot lighter, but this is how I like to do it.
That's how we do it in Canada and the US though, man. We're all about the sauces.
Coconut number 1.
Yeah.
Number 2, the green chili.
Yeah.
So fire. 3 is this one, the red chili. Peanuts. Then 4, 5, 6. Oh, and guys, I haven't showed you, but here's the potatoes.
Yeah.
So it's potatoes, like mashed potatoes, with some green beans, some corn, like shredded corn on top. What else they got here? That's it. And some peanuts. It's a delicious potato salad. This is pure veg, the ultimate pure veg feast. A little spice in here too.
Wow.
I'm gonna take my time here, guys. So good. So good. Dosa paradise.
Right here. Dude, and because sharing is caring, you're letting me have some. So I am gonna try it with the coconut chutney, man, because I love coconut. Anything with coconut is a win for me. Oh my god. Coconut is so good. And this just absorbs it so well. I could just like eat this coconut chutney by the spoon. In fact, why not? That is incredible, man. Okay, I'm gonna try one of the spicy ones. So which one did you recommend the most?
The red one, the red one.
The red one right here? It's also a bit sweet too. Oh wow. The spice really kicks in once you've been chewing it for a bit.
It's like a sweet and sour.
I love that sweet and sour contrast, man. That's so good. Wow, that's so good. So I'm gonna try that green one too. So the green one's also spicy, you were saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, kinda. Oh, that's a ginger. Whoa. That's potent. That like clears out your sinuses, man. It's also delicious, man. It's such a fun way to eat too, like, you know, breaking off a bit of the dosa and just, you have so much variety to choose from. So I'm gonna try one more. I think this one's the peanuts. Put lots of that on. I taste that peanut. It's really rich and creamy, that one. You know, what's fascinating is all the consistency of all these is different. Some of them are a little bit more liquidy, some of them are like thicker and more creamy. So it's just fascinating, man, trying all the different chutneys. My goodness, that's good. I love this dosa, man.
In reality, I can't finish this. But I'm in love with it. I'll just start ranking the chutneys because I have to. Coconut. Second best is now the red chili with ginger. So good, very spicy. Then the green chili. Then we have the peanuts. And the other ones are all like 6-7 things or whatever.
Yeah.
You know, this is a very nice dosa. The length is made for 3, 4, 5 people. Really depends how big your family is. And I think it's a must do when you come here to Hyderabad. I mean, the biggest dosa in Hyderabad. I think it might be the biggest dosa in southern India, but you know, I can't claim that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I love it. And if you guys love this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel and come to Hyderabad and eat dosas. And remember, subscribe to Sam's channel because he's about to make a video as well. Oh man.
That's part of the reason why you can't finish it. We're still gonna eat mine too.